You will never get past my barrier, Spider-Man.
He's right. I need to
All
find
right.
some way to drop
Old
power
Man
away
Reviews
from the
here,
shield.
and this is my walkthrough of Spider-Man for the Nintendo 64.
Yes, this shield is drawing power from the
Alright, so
Still
fairly
need to
easy
draw
level
more
once you know
power.
what you need to do. Just a fair amount of running and jumping. And being smarter about not getting hit. Interesting how he can go through the shield, and you can't.
It's working. One more should do it.
Alright, Mr. Scientist.
Uh-oh. Looks like this shield is weak.
Okay, don't know what happened there. Took a little bit of a pounding, but... And not sure why Ock built his machine with shielding that would just go away. Why not just not design it that way? Alright, so last time I did this one, I dare. Not playing this level as well as I should be. Come on. Ah. I knew I didn't get him quite as much as I wanted to the first time. And if you keep your speed up, it doesn't hit you as much, but I've been... This'll do it. Alright, and the Carnage level. Probably not so well.
That's a sonic bubble in the middle of the room. Seeing as how the only two things that symbiotes hate are fire and sonics, I'm guessing Ock made it just in case Carnage tried to double-cross him. Well, I better not let it go to waste.
Here I come!
What do we have? A sonic bubble.
Alright, so this should work better now. He's not much of a threat with the bubbles going, but when it turns off and he tries to walk out, you have to hold him in there. Otherwise, try to fight him again.
Stop! Make it stop!
Alright, so thanks for watching.